Hello everyone, today we are talking about the installation for Xerox DC286 copier series drum chips. Let's first remove the 4 screws on the side cover of drum unit. Take out this drum unit cover, then we remove the connector on the top of this drum unit. Unplug this small white round cover first. This connector should first be loosened with a flathead screwdriver. This makes it easy to take down. Then turn this drum unit over. Now we need to remove the old drum chip that has been used up. A pair of tweezers is required. There's a little hole in the middle. Gently press here. Press and push this old chip out. And then take it out directly. Then, get a new JIT drum chip to install. The smooth side without components is facing up. The other side is with components. Follow this card slot in the right direction. Push the chip to a self-locking state. Replace the chip like this way. Then put back the connector. Put back small white round cover too. Reinstall this drum unit side cover. Screw back these 4 screws. Like this way, the chip installation is finished. At the same time, you can refer to JIT chip installation picture. Welcome to leave a comment in the comments section. We will actively help you solve the problem.